In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up one-to-one or one-to-many coaching on Thinkific. This is a straightforward process, and once it's set up, you'll have a clean, professional way to offer coaching directly through your Thinkific site. Whether you're creating a private coaching session or opening the door to a small group experience, the setup follows the same general flow. To get started, head into your Thinkific admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select Products, then click Coaching and Webinars. Once you're there, choose New Coaching Session. This is where you'll create the coaching product itself and begin building out the experience your students or clients will see. Next, add your meeting details. Enter the session information and include the link your customers will use to attend or book the session, such as your scheduling page or video meeting link. Make sure this link is accurate and easy to access since it's a key part of how people will connect with you. A quick double check here can help prevent confusion later. After that, set your pricing. Thinkific gives you flexibility depending on your goal. You can offer the session for free if you want to use it as a lead magnet, charge a one-time fee if you're selling direct access to your coaching, or position it as an upsell within your broader offer. Choose the option that best fits how you want this coaching session to support your business. Once pricing is in place, customize your landing page. Use Thinkific's built-in landing page builder to create a page that clearly presents your coaching service. This is your chance to make the offer easy to understand and visually aligned with your brand, so take a moment to ensure the page communicates the value of the session clearly. Finally, review all your details and click Publish. Once published, your coaching program is live and ready for students. That's it. Your Thinkific coaching offer is set up and ready to launch.